Let's say you want to bake a cake. You need the right ingredients in the right combinations. In business, your data makes up the ingredients. The problem is, your ingredients are unlabelled, unorganised and useless. This is dark data. You are spending more time identifying and preparing the ingredients than baking the cake. 90% of an analyst's time is spent just finding the right data, and some of the ingredients might be rotten. Think security risks, compliance issues, or poor quality data. Bad things to put in a cake. This is where Praxi data comes in. We use industry-specific, pre-trained expert libraries to map your data. We're like the missing recipe book. We'll label the ingredients, match them together, and find tasty insights that you didn't know existed. Our deep sector knowledge can save you 2 years of manual work, so you can focus on what your business does best. Find out how we can help your organisation operate more efficiently.